Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Prime Video app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Prime Video and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode and fix that. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for your watching and your attention.